Video deals with editing the template profiles. In the earlier video where we were setting up the rooms and defining the rooms, we had a quick look at the importation and setting up of the profiles, the template profiles. So to actually access the template profiles, it's up to the edit menu into template profiles. Now, for example, if I decide to make a change to a profile, let's say, for example, the office profile, if I edit that profile, and let's say I wanted to make subsequent changes, I could change the temperatures here. This will only update the items that have been changed by applying this tick box here. So if I decide that all subsequent changes or existing rooms plus new subsequent changes will be brought into effect, I change that control temperature in the cooling design space for 23 degrees. If I OK that now, every new room that adheres to this profile will have that new temperature, and also it will allow me to update the existing rooms, and I can also apply the lighting profile to the space as well. So if I say yes to that and then close, every room that I go into now will now have the template profile set to 23 degrees. So it's a subsequential change. If you don't wish to make the change, then what you would do is not tick the box, put the new temperature in, and every new space would adhere to the change, but existing ones won't be changed. So you can decide whether you want to update existing and add new value to the new spaces, or just effect a subsequential change.